Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today obviously I will be making another video. And this time it's more like extra special because you know, yung YouTube ko monetize na after I think 1.5 year na pag YouTube finally na monetize na. And yeah. And yung plan today is to make this video. I've been showing it before already last December pero hindi ko natapos. I just didn't have time to do it. So this is actually for Christmas calendar from H&M. So I only opened the 2 days. Yeah, just 2 days. 1 and then 2. So I've only opened the 2 days, and today I'll be opening everything until 24th. So yeah, let's get started. So 1 is open, 2 is open, number 3. So late, ano na to guys, late opening na to kasi supposedly it's for Christmas. Oh, ito na. Kita ba? Not so much. So anyway, yeah. Medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin ha. So ito na nung number 3. For the 3rd day, it is a ring. A heart ring. Ang cute naman ito, or? And I like rings, so I think magagamit ko talaga siya, see? Yes! Love it! So that's the number 3. Now, let's look for the number 4. Asan bang number 4 dito? Hindi ko makita. Dito, number 4. Open na natin. Oh. Ano siya? Quintas. Pero hindi ko na lang siya i-open talaga guys kasi mahirapan ako mamaya sa paglinis, you know, pag-organize. So ito na. I hope you can see it. There. That's number 4. Asan pang number 5? Eto. Oh, ang cute! So cute! See? Ano siya? Earrings. Color green. So, that's number 5. Asan na ba yung number 6? Ito. Grabe guys, hindi talaga ako consistent sa pag-open-open ng mga ganito ay mga packages, yung mga ganyan. Nakakalimutan ko talaga. Hindi naman nakakalimutan. Parang busy lang talaga ako masyado. Oh, ano to? Hindi ko siya makuha, ha? Wait lang. Nice din siya. Heart. See? Parang ano, pendant lang. So, pwedeng ilagay sa mga quintas. Number 6. Asa na yung number 7? There. Pero obviously guys, ito pang fashion lang at ito. It's not real. So, maganda tong ano lang, gamit-gamitin everyday until ma-fade. Tapos throwaway na. So, yon. So, ito yung number 7 on the 7th day. Earrings again. Ganda siya. I can see myself using that actually at work. 4, 7. Nasa na yung number 8? Ito, number 8. Ding! Oh, silver. I like silver also. Pero mukhang malaki siya. Oo. Ito. Okay lang naman. Dito ko na lalagay. Ganyan. Pero you can see it's like Christmas design. Pero maganda siya ha. Ang cute. 8. Number 9. Asa ng number 9? Oh! Ito talaga pang Christmas. See? Then, Christmas tree. Ang cute naman nito, pero hindi ko na magagamit. 9. Asa lang number 10? Gusto ko sana yung hindi talaga Christmas style para magamit ko. Oh, pendant again. See? There. Ang cute, oy! Cute siya. I like it. 10. Asa na yung number 11? Ito na, number 11. By the way, guys, yung totoong price nito is nasa 200 plus kroner, pero naka-sale siya nung binili ko, so 50 kroner lang. And I was thinking, okay din kasi if you buy it really in H&M, yung parang individual, it would cost maybe 49 kroner, ganun. Ang dami na, 24, 24 mga jewelries. Tapos, 50 kroner lang yung binayad ko. So, sobrang okay. So, ito naman, you can see also, it's like Christmas thing also. Earrings. Ang daming earrings sa 11, 12. Nasa 12 na tayo. There you go. Oopsie. Oh. Ano siya? Ano to? Ah. Rings din. Pero partner. Ah. See? Cute din. Cute! Love it! Pang anong number na ba tayo? 12. Okay, pang 12 yun, guys. So, now, nasa 13 na tayo. 13. Pendant again. And again, it's Christmas pendant. There. Looks cute. I love it. 13. Now, we go to 14. Ito na yung 14, guys. Ano to? Ano ka? Oh. This is ano to? Yeah, quintas again. Tapos you can see wala siyang parang wala siyang parang pendant. So, yun na. Right? Malagay na natin dyan yung mga pendants na libre. 14. Asa na yung 15? Oh! Ito ang cute niya. Ganyan. Earrings. 15. Asa na yung ika-16th day? Asan ka na? There. Ang cute, ay! Wait lang. Santa Claus! Love it! There. 17. Asan ka ng 17? There, nasa top. 17. Open natin. Oo. Ito yung mga heart-heart na magagamit ko to. Because it's not Christmas style, right? It's like, you can use it every day. So, gusto ko rin yan. 17, asa na yung 18? Ito na. Oh! Ang cute! There! 18. Asa na yung 19? Saan ba ito? 19. See? Oh. Ang ganda lang. Hello guys! Naputol kanina kasi yung yung cellphone namatay. Low bat. So, nasa 19th day na tayo. So, ito yung nakuha ko. See? Christmas tree na sing-sing. So, now, continue tayo guys. Sa number 20 na tayo. Saan na ba to? 20. Ito na. There. Christmas, Christmas. Cute siya. Yun lang masasabi ko. Cute. The 20. Asa na yung number 21? Malapit na tayo, guys. 21 na. Oh, pendant again. There. Looks nice. I love it. 21. Nasa na si 22? Malapit na. Oh! This one is cute. See? Yan na yung 22. It is still like Christmas thing, pero kaya namang dalhin. I mean, kaya namang i-wear every day or pag may party. Gusto ko siya. 21. Nasa na si 22? No, 22 ba yun? Yes, 23. Nasa last two na tayo. There, ano siya? Oh. Sing-sing. Gusto ko siya. I like it. I think yung simple lang ganyan. Ganda. Pero medyo maluwang siya dito. Dito naman masikip. Dito na nga lang. Ganda. Tapos, nasa final na tayo. Supposedly, the Christmas Day. The 24th. Ngayon lang mau-open. Ha! Ano pa ba ina-expect? Ganda siya. I like it. Okay. Medyo malalim, guys. Nahirapan tayong konti. Ang lalim ng ano ba? Hindi ko makuha. Wait lang. There you go. Cute! See? Pwede naman siyang, isuot din. Pag may party siguro, I don't think I will wear it at work. Parang sobra naman. So anyway, guys, yun na yung calendar, Christmas calendar ng H&M na supposedly last month ko sana na-open because the idea of this is it's up to 24th day until Christmas and supposedly every day from the first day until the second and the third, like you're opening it every day, so it's like a little surprise for you. Pero ganun talaga ako, always late akong mag-open ng mga packages. May mga packages nga akong iba na parang 3 months na nandito. Ewan ko ba? So anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. At ngayon ay monetize na po ako and I'm very, very happy. And please subscribe and like the video. Bye!